Janae from Designs by JuJu, and in this video I will quickly demonstrate how easy it is to use our Puffy foam fonts. Using Puffy foam, designed for machine embroidery, is a fun way to add a 3D effect to your text designs. It requires a font specifically digitized for that purpose. For my apron, I used our Puffy Magnolia script. After hooping your project, lay a piece of foam over the area to be embroidered. Cut it about 1/2 inch larger than your design size, and then simply start stitching the text directly on top of the foam. It's best if you can use a foam that has the same color or is as close as possible to the thread color that you're going to use for your design. Once it has finished stitching, remove your project from the machine and carefully tear away the foam from the perimeter of the text. It's okay to take your time. Then grab some tweezers to remove the foam from inside holes or other tight areas. Once all the foam has been removed, inspect your work up close. If you happen to see a little bit of foam poking through the stitches, then you can simply use heat to cause the foam to shrink inside the stitching. You can use a hair dryer, a heat gun, or a steam iron. Just don't touch the stitches. And then step back and admire your work. It really is that easy. We can't wait to see how you use our Puffy foam fonts. Happy stitching!